Okay, I got a 2010 Southwest Industries Trak DPM 3 with a Trak SMX control. We got X-axis movement there, and there's Y-axis movement. And Z-axis movement. It's got a manual quill on it, but we're going to run the spindle here. It's, what is it? You know what it's running there, spindle speed wise? Let's say on control, about 1,000 RPM it looks like. Yeah. 1,000 RPM. That's reverse. 1,000 RPM. Then you have a manual quill movement there. Oh, I'm sorry. That's high gear there, or is that low gear? I said that's low gear. That's low gear at 600 RPM. Forward and reverse.
And then we've got
see, it's got the programmable spindle control.
air. That'll be for the air chuck.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can you wind the quill down manually? There's your 5 inches of quill play in the quill. Machine had a new X-axis motor put on in February of 2018, and I believe we said that the motor up top had been redone at or about the same time. About a year earlier, back in 2017. Trak control. Has 2 USB ports and a floppy drive behind the panel there. Lube system in the back. Serial number is 113DL63875, and it's wired 3-phase low voltage 220. Got the accordion style weight covers for both the Z and the Y. The Kurt vices here on the table. And we've got some Cat 40 tool holders as well. Looks like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 14, 15 tool holders there. And then your tool setting device here. Some manuals. The toolbox with the associated tooling, wrenches and whatnot. These are the safety bars for protecting the counterbalance for shipping. And then we got the 2 red lifting bars over there as well. And that's the Trak. I'm sorry, the Southwest Industries Trak DPM 3.